करीब 50% के अपमूव्स देखने को मिले, 68 करोड़ का मुनाफा पोस्ट किया। वहीं रेवेन्यूज के फ्रंट पर 35% तक की तेजी यहां पर दिखी। हालांकि मार्जिन्स में एक स्लाइड डिप जरूर नजर आया। चलिए नतीजों पर मैनेजमेंट का क्या कहना है ये समझ लेते हैं, और नतीजों पर और कारोबार विस्तार प्लान्स को लेकर हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए जुड़े हैं क्वेस कॉर्प के CFO रवि विश्वनाथ। रवि जी, गुड आफ्टरनून, स्वागत है आपका ET नाउ स्वदेश पर। अपना समय देने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। सबसे पहले तो नतीजों पर ही आपसे हम हाईलाइट समझना चाहेंगे, ग्रोथ ट्रिगर्स क्या रहे, मार्जिन्स में जो हल्के से डिप देखने को मिले हैं इसके पीछे की वजह बताएं।
The growth has been the growth. We ended Q4 on a very strong note, and we began the quarter. Q1 was also a very strong quarter. We have seen great headcount addition. We have crossed about 30 and odd thousand people in Q1, which has probably been the highest ever quarter for us so far. This has been largely led by, the growth is across all sectors, actually, if you see the headcount. But largely for us, the headcount has come from BFSI and retail, has been the biggest contributors to us. Retail has been slow until now, but retail is picking up now for us. So that's as far as the growth is concerned. We've been growing headcount on even Connect, which is our call center, has also been seeing some headcount growth. Overall, I think headcount growth seems to be very positive. We seem to be seeing a similar momentum being maintained in Q2 as well, because Q2 is really Q2 and Q3 are the biggest quarters for companies like us. So, and we are seeing that kind of momentum in Q2 and Q3 also, and we're keeping fingers crossed, and hopefully that should be very good. Margins, actually, if you want to look at we have been talking about the new product-led business. We've been talking about Monster doing a fundraise in the month of January. We raised about 150 crores. And largely, these monies are going to be spent in product development, sales, and marketing. It is in line with that the spends have actually happened. This has actually brought our margins down between the 2 years, because Monster cash burn, this is something that was no planned, and there are no surprises here at all. The one other factor that has led to a margin down in the operating asset management vertical is the renegotiation of the contract by one of the largest customers in this particular vertical. While the contract has been renegotiated for a further period of 3 years, the margins have actually been marked to market right now. And this would mean that the total margin impact for us for a year would be close to about 30 crores or about 7.5 crores per quarter. These are the two reasons why the margins have actually been impacted. The third reason is also that this is Q1 for us. This is a time when we give our annual increases to our own core employees, and that has also resulted in some amount of margin impact. But that's a positive thing for us, because we will make this up over the next 3 quarters, and we are reasonably confident that we should be able to take margins upwards by the end of the year. This is probably the lowest that we've reached. It'll probably start going upwards from here onwards.
ऑल राइट, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आज हमसे बात करने के लिए, एंड गुड लक आपके आने वाले क्वार्टर्स के लिए भी। वेल